Hello, happy day or night to all. We are a family of three living in the UK. Me, Daddy Charles, and our recent addition, baby Chloe. Come and join us our trip to London, Wales. So we just arrived at Londono train station. So I got a glimpse of our daughter, and a couple walks away from the train station is our hotel. And the hotel's clean. Ayan, nag-request kami ng baby cot. During this time, we had the walk, we had the grocery, and kumain na din kami ng meals namin. Siyempre, nagbaon kami. And we just decided to buy some dessert. And yan, nag-order kami ng milkshake. And that one is the white chocolate biscoff waffle with milk cheesecake ice cream on top. Yan, because it's a late celebration for my birthday. Ayan, so a couple walks again and we decided to go to arcade and have some games and have some fun. And we usually do this a lot of time and we are really happy. Ayan, gising na si Chloe, so I just need to carry her. And here, nakachamba si Daddy Charles ng stuffed toys. Siyempre, ang dami niyang games na ginawa dyan. Pero, at the end of the day, nakakuha kami ng isa. So, I think it's a capybara. I don't know if it's the right term for that animal. So, saya lang kasi diba, at least, din kami ng stuffed toy or souvenir. So, ayan, ang ganda dyan because, it's calm, it's very relaxing, and it's very windy. So, we take some pictures and just had some cuddles with baby Chloe. She's just so adorable and lovable. Ayan, we headed back to our hotel and tignan nyo naman, nagaganda ng mga buildings dyan, ba? Diba? Parang uniform sila and the colors are so bright. So, that's it for today. It's already nighttime and kailangan ng matulog ni baby Chloe. So, abangan yung next video natin. Marami pa tayong ibang activities dito sa London, Wales. Bye!